Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video, this is going to be a very quick one. What do you do when you run Virtual Machine Manager and you get this message here? Very simply, it says error starting domain, requested operation is not active or not valid, network default is not active. So you might get this, you've installed Virtual Machine Manager and you've installed KVM and all the other stuff. Maybe you followed my previous video, and then you've restarted your computer, and that's when you get this message. So quite simply, you think, I'm just going to run Virt Manager. Think all I have to do is turn that on and everything will work, but it doesn't. And just to reiterate, requested operation is not valid, network default is not active. This is what this video is about. It'll take me 2 minutes to show you how to fix it. So we're going to close this and we're going to open up a terminal window. We're going to type sudo virsh net-list --all, and you'll see that the default state is inactive and auto start is set to no. So what we want to do is set auto start to active. My type is sudo virsh net-autostart space default. So that's sudo virsh net-autostart space default. And now it's set to auto started, and you can see the current state is inactive, but next time you reboot it will automatically start. So as you can see, if I run sudo virsh netlist all, whilst auto start is active, the state is inactive. So what we can type if we want to start it up now is sudo virsh net start and then the name of the instance there, so in this case default, and now it's started. So I can now go into Virt Manager and you can see it's gone in okay. Equally, I can stop it from working again by typing sudo virsh net-destroy default, and that now it's inactive again. If I don't want it to run on auto start, what we can do is sudo virsh net-autostart disable and then default. So what this means is it's currently inactive, and to auto start it won't start automatically. So if you want it so it doesn't automatically start each time, you leave it as it is and then you just run the sudo virsh net start default. If you want it to always be available, you do net auto start default. And for personal use, that's the one I mainly go for. And so now if you reboot, it will work automatically. But I'm going to leave it like that. And everything is now in a working state. And that is the end of the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Everyday Linux User.